I hope. Solely here. Um, Sunday, 19th of June, 2026 at this time. And yeah, just getting myself checked. Um, Checking in with myself and making sure that I'm on track. And basically, I haven't been on track for the last few days. From Friday to Sunday, I've been fortunate enough to babysit my sister's dogs where she is, and the weather out here has been shocking. It's been constant raining and so forth. Um, wasn't able to go to the pools today. My sister mentioned it the day before, and obviously I forgot. So when I got up after 10 o'clock this morning, our bridge over here in Huntley got was closed for repairs or servicing, and you couldn't go to the pool, which is sad, but at the same time, in my inside, it was kind of good because it was freezing this morning. And right now, the temperature here at this hour and time is 11 degrees going down to 10, and it's getting pretty cold. Um, if anything, my thoughts are come Monday, start again, start fresh, um, get back on track, and get on with the work. It's not so much doing a lot of exercise, and it's not so much doing going crazy. It's about being consistent. And somebody mentioned it. It's not so much about, yeah, trying to be the tough guy. It's about being consistent in work. So if I can maintain my efforts and my works on a regular time basis, that'll be the key that I'm thinking about right now. So yes, if I keep a schedule, um, it'll help me keep on track. I've still got the right mindset. The headaches have gone down to a 4 now, which is great. Man, they were pumping on Thursday. Took a while to chill out on Friday. Saturday, stayed home, which helped, and just recover. I'm glad that I've been filming because I forgot the day before I didn't eat for 24 hours. So hell, man, that must have made a huge difference. Uh, Hey, also, like I said, even had a COVID test to make sure that I can't see properly. COVID test to make sure that I don't have COVID, so I don't have COVID, so I'm good. I've been really fortunate, so I count myself lucky. Um, yes, so my thinking right now is just be consistent. So it's learning to do the basic things in the health program. It's sleep well, eat well, more activity here and there. Um, so I've got to be careful. Like I said, with the changes, I've been mindful of the negative stuff that are going to happen. I can feel it in my right leg. There's a little bit of an oncoming gout. I can feel. You're starting to pay attention to your body, so you notice these things. I suffer from gout, and it's been quite regular when you're being as big as I am too. So this is the first that I've had in a long while. So say maybe a month or two. Within the 2 months, I've had little niggles where you can tell that it's coming, but it doesn't get there. And today, I'm glad it's coming there, but it's not going. So obviously, I got to make sure I make my medication, take my medication, and be consistent in the medication. So my focus now is to constantly go to bed on time, use the sleep apnea, get a schedule going, and less food in, more activity. So 5 things to focus on, and I'm gonna write that down. If not, I'll just check on the camera and make sure I do those things. So that is the plan. Um, get a consistent time period where I can go to the gym. Well, not to the gym, to the pools. And if I can be consistent on going to the pools on a regular basis, that'll make me happy. So, like I said, 100, just under 105. I'm about 103. I like using units of five. Need to get down to 180. 180. So and I've got a year to do that. So that's the game plan. Be consistent, like in all things that we do, uh, and not to go overboard. Like I said, got to be careful of my safety, and that's what basically safe man, safe family on a personal level at this stage is for me on a health basis. And we got a lot of areas that cover safe man, safe family. I'm even thinking, you know, somebody actually asked me, "What is safe man, safe family?" And I think I might explain it on the next post. But for now, I'm coming at the 6 minutes, so I'm gonna cut it off and call it there. And to the next one, safe man, safe family. I'm in it.